First project I made is a snail keyring, and I learned how to use hand tools like cutting with the hacksaw, filing, sanding and polishing. I learned how to use the pillar drills to make holes in the pieces, and I used glue to hold the pieces together. The next project I made is this model bird. I used a strip heater to bend the pieces together into shape, and I used nuts and bolts to hold the pieces together instead of glue. I've now started my third project. It's a money box, and I'm looking forward to making this because the store loose change and it has lots of different pieces in it.
Here is the pencil holder that we got to make in first year. Here we got to use a pillar drill to drill the hole in the piece. We also got to use the strip heater, which allows us to bend the plastic into various different shapes. Now this is my music box. Here we got to work with the Genie board and the electronics in it. And we also got to use the CNC machine to cut cool shapes, as you see here on the front. I've done a J.
For my third year project, I am making a nail dryer, and the way I designed it is I used a designing software called SketchUp. On this SketchUp, you can go into great detail how you're going to design your project in 3D. It is a very handy designing software to use, and it is what we use in St. Gerard's College. For my project, I'm using a Genie 18 board. When I cover this light here, when the Genie board is on, the motor will turn on. In second year, we made a practice folder which really helped me design my third year folder for my junior cert. For my third year folder, I had to go in great detail about how I'm going to design my folder, what batteries, what materials, and how I'm going to design and put it together. For it, I had to take many photos of my project when I made it, each step and every single thing I used to make.